Hey friends, this is Asif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. For the past several days or weeks, the price of Bitcoin Cash is getting rejected by this quite long-term downtrend and resistance. By the way, we are watching on the daily time frame, and you can see that first we got rejections here, and after that we got several more rejections here, and recently the price is once again rejected by this downtrend and resistance here in the previous candlestick. And now we are moving towards this next long-term support. By the way, we have already tested this support several times. That is a quite long-term support of $270. You can see that after this big drop, we tested the support here, here, and here. And if the price will move more down this time, then again, we can test the support of $270. Once again, by the way, while moving to the downside, we have also broken down this very long-term uptrend line support as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. We got several touch points here, and we had a nice bounce. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and now we have broken down the support, and it can act as a very strong resistance for the price line. And we have also broken down this very significant support of $350 as well. That can again work as a resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. By the way, we have recently also broken out this down channel, and in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Sun, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I share this signal, like this signal I shared on 15th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, since after 5th of December, since after the first week of December 2024, it is not able to break out this downtrend and resistance. But while moving to the downside and after getting rejection, so many rejections by this resistance, we have recently broken down this very significant uptrend line support as well that can act as a very strong resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of June 2023 up till now, it was breaking as support. But now, after this breakdown, it can again work as a very, very strong resistance. Like previously, it was working as a resistance here for several months from the month of September 2022 up till the month of June 2023. Now, here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long term falling wedge pattern. But by the way, recently we also broke out this down channel as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at $700. And if the price and breaks out this resistance zone, that starts from $700 and goes to $800. That was previously working as a resistance zone here, here, and here it was also breaking a support zone and resistance zone. And after breaking out this resistance zone, soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this also update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.